Below are 12 cards from a game. Complete this two-way table. So this box here is for red squares. So let's count how many red squares I've got. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 4 red squares. This box here is for green squares. Let's count the green squares. 1. This here is red circles. 1, 2. And then this here is green circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've completed the two-way table. One card is picked at random. What is the probability it is a green circle? So if I look at the green circle section, green circle is this here, so there's 5 green circles out of a total of 12. So my answer to part B is 5 out of 12. 80 students visited the library over 3 days. The two-way table shows some information about these students. Complete the two-way table. So the first thing I'm going to notice is that 38 plus something is 80. "38 plus something is 80. So if I do it backwards, 80 take away 38. So I need to take that down to 7 and borrow the 10. 10 take away 8 is 2. 7 take away 3 is 4. So that there is actually 42. I also can see that 13 add something is 26, remember, because this is the total column. 13 add something is 26. Do it backwards. 26 take away 13. 6 take away 3 is 3. 2 take away 1 is 1. So this number here is actually 13. Now that I've done that, I can see that 14 add something, add 13 is 42. So let's just do 14, add something, add 13 is 42. Let's add the 14 and the 13 first. 14 add 13 is 27. Add something is 42. And now let's do it backwards. 42 take away 27. Going to borrow a 10 from there, that's going to go down to 30 and that's going to go to 12. 12 take away 7 is 5, 3 take away 2 is 1. So this number here is actually 15. Okay, now I'm just going to clear some room over here actually. There we go. So now I've got something add 15 is 33. Something add 15 is 33. Do it backwards. 33 take away 15. Borrow a 10 from there, that goes down to 20 and that goes to 13. 13 take away 5 is 8. 2 take away 1 is 1. So that's actually going to be 18. I can also see that something add 18 add 13 is 38. Something add 18 add 13 is 38. Let's add the 18 and the 13 first. 18 add 13 is 31. So something add 31 is 38. Now do it backwards. 38, take away 31. 8 take away 1 is 7, 3 take away 3 is 0. So that answer there is actually just 7. And then the last one, and I'm just going to circle this one in red, 7 add 14 will give me this missing total here. 7 add 14 is 21. So there's my complete two-way table. And again, I'm going to just clear the area over here. One of these students is picked at random to win a prize. Write down the probability that the student is a female. So a female is here. All of the females is 38. So that's 38 females out of a total, and it says it in the question and it also says it here, 38 out of 80. Write down the probability that the student visited the library on a Tuesday. So library on a Tuesday, Tuesday's here, there's 33 people in total that visited the library on a Tuesday. It's 33 out of 80.